About this item: high voltage # certified safety # certified and listed by the nationally recognized electronics safety testing expert UL. Only products with the best quality, workmanship and safety level in the industry can pass UL's extremely stringent quality tests to obtain this honorable certification. White heavy checkmark # flawless compatibility # exclusively designed to fit all Lenovo laptops, 65W and 45W, round connector, e.g. IdeaPad, Chromebook, Yoga, Flex, MX laptops with round power connector. Thumbs up # worry-free warranty # full refund or replacement within 30 days of purchase if unsatisfied anytime for any reason. An additional 2 years warranty and dedicated customer support are right at your service. Gear # special features # foldable plug, avoid scratch and save space, charging indicator battery # power specs # output, 65W, 20V/3.25A, works for 45W, 20V/2.